वेलकम टू जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास। जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास में आप लोगों को फिर से स्वागत है। कल मैं क्या सिखाई थी? कल मैं सिखाई थी इंडिसेस। दैट वाज पार्ट 1। ओके, नाउ टुडे आई विल टीच यू पार्ट 2। देखिए, इंडिसेस इतना बड़ा चैप्टर है कि ये बहुत से डिफरेंट का सम होता है, तो इतना सारा सम तो सिखाने का संभव नहीं है क्लास में। इसलिए क्या होता है, मैं डिफरेंट टाइप का सम सिखा रही हूँ। आप लोगों ने क्या कीजिएगा, प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके मुझे कमेंट कीजिए कि मैम आपको ये सिखाना है, मैम मुझे ये सम नहीं आ रहा है, तो मैं जरूर वो सम को सिखा दूंगी इस क्लास के जरिए से। लेकिन मैं डिफरेंट सम सिखा रही हूँ, तभी भी बहुत सम बाकी रह जाएगा। तो क्या करना चाहिए, पहले मुझे थोड़ा सपोर्ट कीजिए। आप लोग मेरा वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और ज्यादा से ज्यादा फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल प्लीज, सो I can teach you different sounds. Okay, so चलते हैं क्लास करने के लिए। जरूर देखिए, फर्स्ट सम जो है you have to solve, that is x to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3. Then next bracket x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 2 by 3. So, what you have to write now? You will write again x to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3. And here you will change. What you will change? That is x to the power x to the power 1 by 3 square. So, put it here, the third bracket. No. Put here the third bracket and x to the power 1 by 3, you will write 2 by 3, but you have to write in a different way. X to the power 1 by 3 whole square plus, that is x to the power 1 by 3 multiplied by x to the power minus 1 by 3 plus x to the power 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square. Then close the third bracket. Okay. Then what you have to write? So what you have to write? Let's see that a minus b. अगर हम लोग इसको a सोचते हैं कि x to the power 1 by 3 equals to a. So what is that? A minus a to the power, तो सोचिए x to the power 1 by 3 is a. सोचिए x to the power 1 by 3 equals to a and x to the power minus 1 by 3 equals to b. So x to the power minus 1 by 3 is a. That means a minus b into 2 by 3. We have written that 1 by 3 whole square. That is a square plus ab plus b square. So what is the formula? You know the formula. I'll just tell you. Just remember, a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. That is a cube minus b cube. याद आया ये फॉर्मूला? ओके, तो हम लोग ये फॉर्मूला का हेल्प लेते हैं। ठीक है, तो देखिए तुरंत क्या होता है। अच्छा, देखिए, so x to the power 1 by 3 whole cube minus x to the power minus 1 by 3 to the power whole cube. So here is 3 and here is 3, so cut. And here is 3 and here is 3, so cut. So what is now? X minus x to the power minus 1. Here is 1, so you don't have to write 1, no. And here is minus 1, you must write minus 1 because it will be reciprocal, no. So x minus 1 by x, it is the answer of it. Okay, so it is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Please observe the sum. So please concentrate in the next sum. So ma'am, you are writing again x. Yes, now it's a class of x. No. I'll give you the numerical sum also. Okay. Then x to the power m by x to the power n to the power l multiplied by x to the power n by x to the power l to the power m multiplied by x to the power l by x to the power m to the power n. This is the sum. So you have to solve. क्या किया जाए? अच्छा एक काम कीजिए, ये है डिवीजन, दैट इज हम लोग इसको ऊपर उठा लेते हैं, देखते हैं होता है क्या नहीं। तो चले, x टू द पावर, ये डिवीजन है तो इसको ऊपर में उठाए तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये माइनस हो जाएगा। अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो प्लस होता है समेशन, एंड ये देयर इज डिवीजन, दैट इज इट इज सब्ट्रैक्शन। ओके, सो m minus n, now whole to the power l. Similarly, x to the power n minus l, x to the power n minus l whole to the power m. So what we have to write? We have to write x to the power l minus m to the power n, isn't it? So what we have to do now? X to the power, the m minus l, you have to multiply with that. Okay, so x to the power ml minus nl multiplied by base is x to the power nm minus lm multiplied by x to the power ln minus mn. So here's a base is same x, so you have to write base once x. Now this is a multiplication, so summation of indices. So ml minus nl plus mn minus lm plus ln minus mn. Okay, here is ml plus ml and here is minus ml cut. Here is minus nl and here is plus nl cut. And here is plus mn, here is minus mn. So there is nothing. So what you have to write? X to the power 0. So any to the base, that is anything is there to the power 0 equals to 1. Understood the sum? Okay. So observe the sum. If you have any queries, please let me know through the comment box. Okay. आप लोगों को मुझे थोड़ा मोटिवेट कीजिए, मैं आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से सम सिखाने के लिए कोशिश करती हूँ. Okay, it is my passion to teach you correctly. Okay, so if you don't have any question, please मुझे कमेंट कीजिए एंड चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए कि मैं अच्छी तरह से ज्यादा आप लोग स्टूडेंट लोगों को मैं अच्छी तरह से समझा सकूं. एंड प्लीज लाइक माय वीडियो. ओके, लेट्स ऑब्जर्व द सम. So please come to the next sum. Okay children, the previous sum I just didn't put that is number question number 2. I just wrote question, then I've written that solve. So please put it there, question number 2. Sorry. Then what is the sum here? Here I'm not writing x, I'm writing a for you. Okay, so a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 is the first bracket, then division, that is divided by a to the power minus 2 minus b to the power minus 2. What you have to do? Okay, कोशिश करके देखते हैं कि हम लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं. So देखें, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. So a to the power minus 1 में आप लोग तो अब तक सीख ही चुके हो कि ये -1 होने से आप लोग को क्या लिखना चाहिए, रेसिप्रोकल लिखना चाहिए. So you have to write 1 by a. So it is 1 by a plus 1 by b divided by 1 by ये -1, so इसलिए you have to write 1 by a, but here is -2, so you have to write 1 by a square minus 1 by b square, bracket closed. So what you have to write now? Simple plus 1 by a plus 1 by b, that is ab is the LCM, so first divided then multiplied. So here is a, so here is you have to write, and the numerator is b plus here b divide, then you have to write as numerator a. So divided by, now here is the numerator is a square b square. So what is the numerator? Sorry, what is the numerator? Denominator is a square b square. So numerator is b square minus a square, bracket closed. Then what you have to write? That is ab. Here is b plus a. Okay, now it is division. So write here multiplication. So reciprocal is there. A square b square by b square minus b square minus a square. So what you have to write? B plus a by ab and here AB whole square by B square minus A square, that is B plus A into B minus A. बच्चों ये आपको लिखना है. Okay, so B plus A and B plus A, you can cut it. So AB is one set and AB is two sets, that is here is AB. So AB by B minus A. So what you have to write? AB by B minus A. That is the answer. Is this tough sum? No, not at all. Okay, so please observe the sum. If you have queries, please let me know through the comment box. Okay, so observe. So come children, the next sum is question number 4. That is you have to prove. You don't have to solve, you have to prove. What you have to prove? That's a different type of sum. A equals to C to the power Z. B equals to A to the power X. And C equals to B to the power Y. So you have to prove that X, Y, Z equals to 1. So let's start. A equals to C to the power Z. It was given. What you can write here? You know C equals to B to the power Y. So आप लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? A equals to B to the power Y to the power Z. Because you have to write here the reason. Because C equals to B to the power Y. You know? So you have written that B to the power Y to the power Z. Now what you have right? That is B equals to A to the power X. So A equals to B का जगह पे आप लोग A to the power X लिख सकते हैं. So B to the power A to the power X to the power Y to the power Z. No, because since A to the B equals to A to the power X. So you have written this. B का जगह में आप लोग A to the power X लिख सकते हैं. So A equals to A to the power X, Y, Z. ब्रैकेट का अंदर और ब्रैकेट का बाहर ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन होते हैं तो A to the power X, Y, Z. So here you don't write A, you write A to the power 1. So now base is the same there. So cancel the base. 1 equals to X, Y, Z. Okay. So you can write X, Y, Z equals to 1. That is proved. So you have to write X, Y, Z equals to 1. That is proved. You have to write. Okay. Tough sum? Not at all. And this is a very simple sum. And this is just a छोटा सा sum है. इतना बड़ा भी नहीं है. आप देखिए अगर इसका बारे में और एक सम है थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. अगर इसको समझेंगे तो बाद में जाके अगर ये नहीं समझ पाए हैं तो मैं वो दूसरा सम भी मैं सिखा दूंगी. प्लीज कमेंट कीजिए, सिखाने के लिए मैं जरूर समझा दूंगी. सो प्लीज ऑब्जर्व द सम. ओके. सो चिल्ड्रन नेक्स्ट सम पे चलते हैं. देखिए ये थोड़ा अलग सम है, डिफरेंट सम है. तो देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. x to the power 4 y square z cube equals to 49392. Then find the value of x, y, z. So here is value of x is 4. Index of x is 4, power of y is 2, and power of z is 3. So we have to factorize the number 49,392, and there will be the value of x, y, z. इसमें छुपा हुआ है तो हम लोग इसको करते हैं. So what you have to write? X to the power 4 y square z cube equals to 49,392. Okay. Now you have to factorize 49,392. Okay, I have done here. Let's see. So that is the factorized by 2, 2, 2, 2. Again 3, 3. Again 7, 7, 7. So here is 4 2s, 2 3s, and 3 7s. No. So what you can write? You can write x to the power 4 y square z cube equals to 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 7 to the power 3. That is 49392. That is 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 7 cube. So here x to the power 4, that is 2 to the power 4. Y square then 3 square, z cube, then 7 cube. Similarity is there. Therefore, x equals to 2. Cancelling the indices, cancelling the power, we can get x equals to 2. So, sorry, x equals to 2. Then y equals to 3. Y equals to 3. Z equals to 7. Z equals to 7. So, value of x, y, z is 2, 3, 7. Simple sum. Okay. You have to just factorize the number. Then it is the power you will get. That is 4. Here is also 4. 2. Here is also 2. And 3. Here is also 3. So you have to just cancel the power and write the base. X equals to 2. Y equals to 3. And Z equals to 7. No? Simple sum. Okay. Let's observe the sum. My Hindi is Bengali Hindi. No? Okay, I want to learn that is Maharashtrian Hindi and Gujarati Hindi. ओ कैसे कैसे कहा जाता है? सोचिए क्या साउथ इंडियन हिंदी तो दूसरा दूसरा टोन पे आता है नो. तो मैं ज्यादा ज्यादा बंगाली कहती हूँ, इसलिए मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा सुनने को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है ना. तो आप तो समझ सकते हैं ना. तो प्लीज तो मुझे ये आप लोग को थोड़ा समझना चाहिए. तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से हिंदी में बता सकूं, इंग्लिश में बता सकूं. ओके, लेट्स ऑब्जर्व द सम. वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सम. ओके, सो प्लीज कम टू द नेक्स्ट सम, दैट इज सॉल्व वैल्यू ऑफ x. देखिए मैं कह रही थी ना कि मैं हर सम x में नहीं दूंगी, मैं न्यूमेरिकल्स पे भी दूंगी सम. सो मैं अगर अब लिख रही हूँ 13 to the power minus root over x, sorry, 13 to the power root x equals to 4 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4 minus 6. So here is the power root x. How is it possible to solve the value of x? Possible children. I will just teach you. Okay. So next line. So implies that 13 to the power root x equals to 4 to the power 4. What is the value of 4 to the power 4? That is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. That is 256. Okay. Minus 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 is 81. Minus 6. So what you have to write? 13 to the power minus, sorry, 13 to the power root x equals to 256 minus 87. Okay. Now 13 to the power root x equals to 7, that is 9, 8, 9, 9, 6, 1. You know 169, that is 13 square. So 13 to the power root x equals to 13 square. So root x equals to 13 square. Sorry. I'm cancelling the base and I'm writing there. So root x equals to 2. Okay. Then you have to find out the value of x, not of root x. So both sides squaring. No. Root x square equals to 2 square. Okay. Then root x square, that is root x multiplied by root x, that is x. So x equals to 4. That is the value of x. So what you have to do? That is, you just find out the value of 4 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4 minus 6. That is the value of, that is 169. So here is the base 13 and here is 169 is 13 square. So cancelling the base, root x equals to 2. So root over x, I didn't say that I didn't ask for root over x, I asked for x. So both sides squaring we get x, root x square equals to 2 square. So x equals to 4. Okay. So value of x is 4 here. तो अच्छा लगा है इस सम को? So next sum पे हम लोग चलते हैं. That is the last sum for you. Okay, today. But I'll give you the homework for you. Okay. So no, not tough homework. I'll just give you the easy sum. So, but you don't have to take any help of any reference book या anything. So what you will do, that you will do comment box. You will take in the comment box. If there is any mistake, I will rectify you. Okay, don't take help of pen here. So let's observe the sum. the last sum for today's class is, that is, you have to solve the equation. Okay, children, this is the last sum. So what is the equation? 3 first bracket 2 to the power x plus 1 bracket close minus 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 5 equals to 0. That is, you have to solve the equation and find the value of x. Okay, so start करते हैं ये sum. Just you multiply 3. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2 to the power x, that is 3 multiplied by 2 to the power x plus 3 multiplied 1, that is 3 minus 2 to the power x plus 2. So when there is multiplication, then power is plus. So what you have to write? 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 2 plus 5 equals to 0. Then 3 into 2 to the power x plus 3 minus 2 to the power 2 is 4, that is 4 to x to the power x. So 4 multiplied by 2 to the power x plus 5 equals to 0. Then, so here is, sorry, 2 to, not 2 cube, here is, you will write 2 to the power x. So now 3 into 2 to the power x minus 4 into 2 to the power x. 3 plus 5, 8. So plus 8 equals to 0. Now it's 2 to the power x is common here. So 2 to the power x. In the bracket, what you will write? You will write 3 minus 4 equals to, here is plus 8, then there is minus 8. You have to write minus 8. Okay. So 2 to the power x in bracket minus 1 equals to minus 8. Then what you have to write? Minus 2 to the power x equals to minus 8, cancelling the symbol minus. So 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power 3. Now here is base 2 and here there is base also 2. So cancelling the base, we can get the value of x, that is x equals to 3, because same base is there, 2, 2, and here is the power x and here is the power 3. So cancelling the base, we get x equal to 3. So this is the value of x in the equation. Okay, so you have to write 3 multiplied by 2 to the power x. Again, I am telling you that's 3 into 2 to the power x, that is 3 multiplied by 2 to the power x plus 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3, minus 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 2 plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, then 3 multiplied by 2 to the power x plus 3 plus 5, that is 8. Here is 4 multiplied by 2 to the power x. So here is 2 to the power x is common. So you will write in the bracket, that is 3 minus 4 equals to, here is, it was plus 8, then here there is minus 8. So 2 to the power x in bracket 3 minus 4, that is minus 1 equals to minus 8. So minus 2 to the power x equals to minus 8, cancelling the symbol minus. So you will get that 2 to the power x equals to 2 cube, that is cancelling the base, you will get x equals to 3. Not so tough sum. Okay, let's observe the sum. Okay. So children, आज के लिए क्लास कंप्लीट हो रहा है. तो आज मैं आप लोगों को थोड़ा होमवर्क दे रही हूँ. प्लीज डोंट टेक हेल्प. ओके, जैसे भी हो, गलत हो या सही हो, मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स के जरिए से मुझे इन्फॉर्म कीजिए. तो अगर ठीक रहेगा तो ओके, देन अगर कोई गलत हो जाएगा तो मैं आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह से सिखा सकती हूँ. ओके, सो दिस इज नंबर 1. सो लेट्स ट्राई. a equals to 3, b equals to minus 2. So find the value of a to the power b plus b to the power a. Then second sum, x to the power 3x plus 12 equals to 1. So you have to solve x. Number 3, cube root of 4. This is cube root of 4 to the power 2x plus 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 32. So you have to find the value of x. And next last number is 5 to the power x plus 1 equals to 25 to the power x plus 2. So then you have to solve x first. Then you have to find the value of 2 to the power 1 plus x. So here is the homework for you. So don't get bothered. हाँ, ये आप लोग अच्छी तरह से कर सकते हैं. अगर नहीं कर सकते हो तो प्लीज मुझे इन्फॉर्म कीजिए. सो जेनिथ का कोचिंग क्लास के लिए आज आप लोगों का ये चैप्टर खत्म होता है. तो ये इंडिसेस में मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी हूँ कि नहीं, ये बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है और अच्छी तरह से समझना चाहिए आप लोगों को कैलकुलेशंस करने के लिए। तो मैं कोई ट्रिक नहीं सिखाती हूँ, ये देख रहे हैं ना, मैं फंडामेंटल पूरा स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैं सिखाती हूँ, क्योंकि आप लोग हैं 9-10 में। ओके, जब मैं वो थोड़ा सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स के सिखाऊंगी तब मैं वो कैलकुलेशंस के लिए ट्रिक सिखाऊंगी, लेकिन आप नहीं, आप लोग को पूरा पूरा लिखना चाहिए, पूरा all the steps you have to write correctly, otherwise marks will be deducted in the board exam. So you have to notice that कोई भी स्टेप्स आप लोग को छूट ना जाए। अगर जल्दबाज से ओ सोचिए चलो ये छोड़ते हैं कि इसको एक स्टेप को छोड़ जाते हैं, मत कीजिए प्लीज। आप लोग को पूरा पूरा स्टेप लिखना है, ठीक है। तो प्लीज लाइक माय वीडियो, जाते जाते ये कहना है मुझे, प्लीज लाइक माय वीडियो एंड शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्लीज टेक द हेल्प ऑफ कमेंट बॉक्स कि आप लोग मेरे साथ कनेक्ट रह सके। ओके, सो प्लीज जाती हूँ मैं। जल्दी है क्या? नहीं नहीं नहीं, जल्दी तो है ही। बाप रे बाप, मैं इतना टाइम आप लोगों को मैथ सिखा चुकी हूँ, आप लोग शायद टायर्ड हो गया है। नहीं नहीं मैम, आप इतना सारे मैथ सिखाए हैं, ठीक है। ओके, तो चलते हैं, गुड नाइट, बाय।